Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Florence, or you can call me Adenike, or you can call me the Florence Adenike, or you can just call me TFA for short. Yeah, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So this video we're just going to be talking about quickly how I applied for my master's, the documents I needed, and how I went about it. So if this is something that you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay, so I knew that I wanted to do my master's degree since like 400 or 500 level. My first encounter with the course was on Twitter when somebody graduated from the University of Warwick, healthcare operational management. So since then, I've been researching about the course. So I knew that this was what I wanted to do. So what I'd been doing since then is I've been just looking for schools randomly that offer the course. I thought I was going to be September intake, so I was just checking for courses schools in the UK that had September intake, and I was also using the QS ranking. QS ranking is like the ranking of schools in the UK, how high they rank. But in the world, I was actually using the world because at the time when I started this search, I was thinking of joining NAMU in Europe, just even if it's not a city. I just wanted to be in Europe. So yes, I was looking everywhere, the Europe and the UK. I said the Europe and the UK. But at the end of the day, I realized that Europe offers 2-year courses. It was so hard to find, I think it was even impossible to find an European school that only offers a 1-year course. And also most of them didn't have health management. Yeah, most of them did not have health management. So at the end of the day, after searching for so long, I decided to just stick with the UK and do my 1-year program and be done. Okay, so fast forward down the line, I had already decided which schools to apply to. The top of my list was Imperial College. I don't know why I love the school, but I love the school. But top of my list was Imperial College. But then I had University of Warwick, I had University of Glasgow. Those were like my top 3. But by the time I started my house job, I knew I was going to finish by December, and I wasn't going to be able to meet up with what's it called, the September intake anymore. So I now had to start my search all over again and start searching for schools that had January intake. So it was so hard to do that. Then one day I just decided I was going to check the QS ranking, and I was going to start checking for the schools one by one. So what I did, because the QS ranking gives you like all of the schools, so I just did a filter for the UK since I was already sure that I was going to be going to the UK. So filter for the UK, and I just started checking the schools one by one from the top down. And that's how I found City. Before that time, I had not found City, I had not heard about City, nothing, no encounter with City at all. City University of London. I keep saying City, but City University of London. So yeah, that was how I found City. They had the January program, they had an internship program, which I was very particular about within the 1-year program. So City was just the best choice for me, and yeah, I applied and I got it. Now, the documents that I needed to apply. So City wasn't particular about English language, whatever. Most schools in the UK you can just use your WAEC, but I already had my IELTS at that point, so I used my IELTS to apply for my program. You have statement of purpose. I used my transcripts, my university transcripts, my university certificates. I used the 2, but I think you can use either or. But I used the 2. What else? There weren't a lot of documents they asked for actually. Yeah, so that's it. That's all the documents they asked for. And I kind of like, I made sure that before I started my application, I already had all the documents. So it's the preparation to get all the documents that is actually stressful, because you know our university system here, to get your transcripts, to get your certificates, to get all of those things can be quite hectic. So yeah. Then references. So I got references from my school. I got two references from my school also. So basically, the documents are your English language certification, your transcript, your certificates, your statement of purpose, your references. Those are basically the things that they asked for. Okay, yeah. So I just, when I had the everything, when I had all my documents, within 5-10 minutes you can finish the application when you have all your documents. So it's not hard at all. There was no interview. I didn't do any interview or exam or anything like that. I didn't. They just sent me my congratulations, my unconditional offer, and that was it. When it was time to apply for CAS, I applied for CAS. There's a whole story behind my CAS, so if you want to hear that, you can go and check up my relocation videos. All of the story for the CAS is there. And yeah, I didn't even pay a deposit for my like before they gave me CAS. I didn't have to pay a deposit, but even if the people that had to pay a deposit was just £500, it wasn't much at all. So yeah, that's my master's application process. If you have any questions concerning this process, you can also just ask me in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer. I answer all my comments, guys. I will be sure to answer. That's it. Simple as that. Okay, so my scholarship that I got, I just went on the website of the school. There were a couple of scholarships that you can apply for. For my course, I think it was like 2 or 3 scholarships. So I applied for the 3, I got 1. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like. It really does help this channel. Please. So like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Join the tribe. You want to see this pretty face every now and then, every Sunday, 6 p.m. So subscribe. Bye, loves.
Sometimes my mind is away. I drift into space, don't know where to go. Sometimes I think I'm